Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for October 14th of 2025 is titled An Unusual Globule in IC 1396. So what do we see here? Well, here we see part of what is known as the Elephant Trunk Nebula. And actually we're looking at the very center of what is also known as a cometary globule. Not because it has anything to do with a comet, which is an object within our own solar system, but because it has the resemblance of a comet with the head and a tail stretching back. Now, this type of object is actually a star-forming region, and we're seeing a very young, hot star forming at the center of this globule, and then eating away at the material. So what really happens is that very young star, the light and the energy from that star will push away the gas and dust left around. So when a star forms, it starts to push away the material, clearing out the areas around it and allowing it to be visible. In a way, it's like it breaks out of a cocoon. So it's shrouded in this cocoon that hides it, and as it becomes more and more energetic, it pushes out and eventually will push this material backward, completely disrupting the cometary globule itself, breaking it open in essence, and leaving behind just fragments of the dust and gas from which it formed. So this is the type of process that is happening here, and if we could watch this over long time frames, let's say hundreds of thousands of years, the patterns that we see here would be completely gone. And all of the dust and the material that we see here would be pushed away by this star and other stars that are in the process of forming in this region. Now, the types of stars that are massive enough to be able to do all of this are also the types of stars that we would expect to go supernova. So this is the type of star that will go supernova. Now, the distance of about 3,000 light years means that we would do nothing other than see a very bright star in the sky. It is much too far away to be able to harm us here on Earth. However, supernovae nearby could be quite dangerous. A supernovae within 50 or 100 light years of Earth could cause devastation to life on Earth, leading to mass extinctions or even the extinction of life altogether. That is how energetic a supernova is. It's not that it has to even be close, it can be light years away. However, we are quite safe because there are no stars that would go supernova within that distance from Earth. But here we can watch one safely at a distance and over time watch as it slowly eats away at the material from which it formed and eventually destroys itself in a supernova explosion. So that was our picture of the day for October 14th of 2025. It was titled An Unusual Globule in IC 1396. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Unusual Space Fish. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.